Jared here, and I got this product to review, and this garment bag is pretty sweet. So you can store a lot of items in here, in addition to keeping your suit nice and intact and clean. On the inside here, you can go ahead and undo these clasps along the side, and then you can go ahead and put your suit right here on the inside, and then just hang them up on this hook, so that way they don't get damaged, just like this. And then we'll take those clasps, and we'll put them right around the suit. Just like so. So that way everything can hang up all nice. Go ahead and just zip this right back up. Right up here you can store whatever you'd like to as well. So once you go ahead and zip up your suit, you then have these two pockets right here. What I personally like to do next is then turn this into your luggage bag. Take this, take the zipper, and the zipper just goes around the whole bag here. Then you have another zipper on the other side. We'll do the same thing. Then you can see we still have our suit right here, right at the top. And when we got to where we wanted to go, we could always just hang this up like this. Or we could just continue to use this like a regular duffel bag if we wanted to. And you still have a ton of space on the inside. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my shoes and I'm going to put them in this side pocket here. And the nice thing about this side pocket is that it's really deep. You can actually fit a couple pairs of shoes right in here. You can fit one. And put the other pair right alongside it. And then you can zip it up. It's nice that you have these air holes here too, so that way you've got some ventilation. And then you still have more space inside the bag. I'm just going to put my toiletries right in here. Then we can just fill it with the rest of the clothes. I'll put my shorts, socks, underwear. I can then take some pants. I'll just take one sweatshirt. And then as you can see, you still have more space for other items too as well. So now, when I go to zip this, you can see that it's not even overstuffed. Got all those items of clothing in here, and it's not even breaking the zipper. It's not busting out at the seams. And then I still have space here along the side to even put pens, pencils, or even my headphones if I wanted to, right here as well. You have this right here to attach it for easy to carry. And it also comes with this shoulder carry strap too as well, with a nice pad. And you can just attach this right to the side, just clip one side, clip it to the other, and then you're good to go. So I mean, once again, I was given this product to review, but you've got ample storage here to put everything that you want and everything that you need. Your suit, your sweatshirt, sweatpants, pants, two pairs of shoes, your headphones. I mean, everything that you need to travel with is all right here in this garment bag. This bag isn't even busting at the seams. Like, it's doing a really good job at holding everything nice and easily. You've got two different ways to hold it. I mean, I was given this product to review, but this is an awesome bag, and I would definitely say check this out.